But first, our big story. Attorneys for Kari Lake trying for a second and final day to prove intentional Election Day issues in Maricopa County with ballot chain of custody and tampering with printers change the outcome of the election.
It is a high bar, but ABC15 political reporter Mark Phillips says it's the only way Lake could get a judge to throw out the election results.
Lawyers representing Kari Lake in her election lawsuit trial wrapped up their case Thursday with pollster Richard Barris of Big Data Polls in Florida. Barris says between 22 and 40,000 voters were disenfranchised on Election Day, and he thinks most of those votes would have gone to Lake. Barris bases his conclusion on a last-minute question he added to his exit poll. He asked people if they experienced problems at the polls, and the number of respondents who promised to participate in his exit poll but did not.
But the difference here is almost 20 points. It's roughly 20 percentage points. It's a significant finding. And I can only, like, in my professional opinion, I've done many of these exit polls. These people didn't complete this questionnaire because they didn't vote.
The Secretary of State's office had their own expert, Kenneth Mayer, a member of the University of Wisconsin's Election Research Center. Mayer has designed and executed polls for 30 years. He's also studied long lines at the polls and their impact. Mayer challenged Lake's experts' conclusions, saying they're based on speculation, not facts.
I think what Mr. Barris is doing is he's relying on jargon to give a veneer of scientific precision to his calculations, again, that there's no basis for.
Judge Peter Thompson will review the evidence and make a ruling sometime next week. Mark Phillips, ABC 15, Arizona.